How to fix server not found on Samsung Smart TV. So the first step you could do in order to fix your issue is that perform a power cycle by unplugging your TV for 30 to 60 seconds. And then plug it again in order to check whether your issue has been fixed or not. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that go to Settings. And from here, choose All Settings. Now from here, go to Connections. From here, go to Network. Now, from here, choose the option of Reset Network in order to fix your issue. And now another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that make sure that your date and time is set to correct time according to your region and location. So for that, just go to General and Privacy. Now, from here, select Time. Make sure that the date and time is set to your region. You can select the date and then you can choose the time according to your location. Follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.